What's happening today, Philly?
It's new car day.
Is it my new car day?
No, it's not my
Well, technically, it's my new car day as well. Why is it my new car day?
Because you get my car. My old car.
What's your old car?
Celine.
Celine?
Yeah.
Celine the Citroen C1?
Yeah.
I'm very fond of Celine, actually, to be fair.
She's a wonderful car.
So, what's the new car you're getting? Don't! You can't say it.
I'm not saying.
You leave it as a surprise. When's it arriving?
2 minutes ago.
Oh.
I probably lost. He's probably not even going to bring it.
Well, you're hoping it's new car day, aren't you?
It's supposed to be new car day.
Yeah, it's not easy to find. You'll see.
There's no beautiful vehicle outside except Celine so far.
Ah, Celine.
She's lovely.
She will be mine.
And you know what? She's a really good car to drive. And she's really economical, Ross.
Celine will be mine. Yeah, she is. Oh, the dog's out. That's cool. So yeah, hopefully soon. It's cold out there. Yeah. And then for maiden voyage, we've got to take us out to basketball, don't we?
Yeah, so I get to drive it. You can drive it on the way home if you want.
Why? Because you want a drink?
No, I'm not drinking. No, that's the usual thing about saying you can drive something on the way home. No, I'm not drinking. I mean, fine, you don't have to.
No, I don't. No,
it's fine. You didn't
no,
want
no,
it.
no, no, no. I'll. Still not here. Just checking.
It's 11:48.
Where's the car, Philly?
It's not here.
Did you just get a phone call?
Yes.
Were they asking you where you were?
Yes.
Were they asking you why haven't you picked up the car?
Yeah. And I went, because you said livraison, which means delivery.
Yeah, but Philly, you should know that delivery means that you come and get it.
Maybe if I was fluent in French, delivery and livraison might be the same thing. But in English, it's not. If somebody says livraison, which means delivery, I'm expecting it to be delivered.
Oh, but the man on the phone told me, how do we expect them to deliver cars to people? They're not Santa Claus. So where are we?
Jerome's a bit of an ass, to be honest. I'm not his best person. So now we have to postpone car collection.
Yeah. No.
Emporter. Jesus.
Takeaway.
Oh shit! What is it? It's like a takeaway.
Did you phone up and say, "Can I have a takeaway"?
Anyway, so we have to postpone it until this afternoon because Zach's got a basketball match and I don't want to miss it. So we are going to get a really similar lunch, head to Ferret to watch Zach's basketball game, and then go directly from there to pick up the bloody car, which has now put me in the right mood. Whatever. Moving on.
Are we? Is there something you wanted to say, Harper? Oh, what could it be? Is it a Jag? Are we getting a Jaguar?
Yeah.
What are we getting? I say we. What is Philippa getting? You wish we could get that one? Yeah, I think that's the new one as well. That's the new F-Type. It's absolutely gorgeous car, that.
I'm going to get that one when I grow up.
You're going to get that one when you grow up? Good girl. I think that'll be a great car. Should go and tell Mummy that. Let's go tell Mummy that we're going to get an F-Type. Tell her you want the F-Type. What do you think of this car? This is the, it's called the, don't touch. It's the F-Type R Sport. Yeah, it's got the little Jaguar logo. That's a nice detail, isn't it? Yes, yeah, Jaguar, because it's a Jaguar. This one's the F-Pace R Sport. That one's very nice. I do like that. Bargain at 77 grand. But it is the R Sport spec. It's apt. That is not too shabby. And 1 second, let's have a look in the back of this one. It's not. I thought it would be roomier, to be honest, for the back seats. I mean, it's lovely trim, but I thought it would be bigger. Oh, electric seats in the back, nice. Where are we going? I quite like that, to be fair. I'll get the bike. The red, it's only, bargain. Oh, here we go, off we trot. back out again. Oh, shit. And here it is. Yes, that is right. It is the Range Rover Evoque. It's the 2-litre 180 horsepower. So we're back home. You can tell that it's getting dark because the little lights come on for the door. How are you liking it, Philippa?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Bit bigger than your car you used to then?
Marginally bigger.
Marginally. Small. Little bit.
But,
Nice though, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it's really, really nice. It's really nice to drive.
The two together. Same.
Little and large.
Same. That's like me and you. Although the other way around. Yeah, that's not my car. Oh yeah, that one now is.
Oh, you do have an Audi. Let's just make that clear.
Yeah, I do have my Audi. So you're happy then, yeah?
Yeah, very happy. Thanks.
Pleased.
Yeah.
Wicked.
You haven't even driven it.
No, I've done a test drive though before, so I know what it's like. I'll have plenty of time to drive it. Don't you worry.
Alrighty then.
I'm already planning my my next car, so don't.
Left feet back in the car.
I'm already planning my next car, so don't worry about it, Philly.
That's fine. It's just that your next car is something that's completely out of the realms of purchase. So.
No, we've already said no to Lambo, but yes to Cayman, so it's all good.
Say yes to Cayman.
We did.
No, I didn't.
We did.
No.
You did. You said, look, that's lovely. I'd love one of those.
Yeah, I would love one of those.
Well,
that's your next car.
No, that's my next car.
Well,
Why
it can be in 5 years or whatever.
No, Porsche Cayman, wide body. Next one, done. So anyway, what's for dinner?
Tuna.
It's not tuna!
Pizza.